cooking apa?
Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. I hope you all can hear me well because I'm currently wearing a mask. I'm not sure if you can guess where I am now. I'm actually at Kota Damansara, and I'm invited by a couple to come and check out their food store in this place called Neighbourhood Foodcourt. So I noticed this neighborhood food court has some very unique design. It's a little bit of resort, gives you a bit of resort feels. Pretty cool inside. And I've spoken with the boss and they are extremely friendly, and they really have some passion on how to prepare their food. Later, I will be showing you on how they prepare few of their signature dishes. Okay?
Fun lah.
Okay, I already started recording lah.
Okay, the broth, the broth is made with big bone of the pork big bone. I prefer those with the flesh because it will give additional taste to the broth.
Okay.
And then we put in ikan bilis, we put in soya bean, sengkuang, that one is turnip, and also a bit of chicken bone. This is the broth. Then normally we put it in a bag so that that's the chicken. This is the bag of the soya bean and turnip.
Ooh, a lot of steaks coming up.
So we start with the soup.
Okay, this is the owner. He's going to start making the. Is this Fan?
Fan.
Okay.
The ingredients will be sliced pork, the intestine, but our intestine is different. We are using the multi-layered intestine, which is very rare. Nobody does it for Fan. But for us, we give it the exceptional taste for our customers. Then of course liver and minced pork ball and also pork ball. So we put them in and let it boil while I do the noodle.
So I think he's going to blanch the noodle right now. And usually for Fan, it's a mixture between noodles and bihun. But of course, if you don't take one of each, one of the noodles, you can actually tell them what exactly you wanted.
We have lo si fan, we have kway teow. Together with sawi, choy sam.
So it's blanching here. Look at how it boils.
Mangkok.
Ooh.
Mangkok. Kasih tu mangkok.
This is bringing out all the flavors.
Lagi dua. Yeah. And once the soup is ready, I will add in a pinch of pepper, and after which you pour inside here.
Alright, is it done?
Yep. Then a bit of jiao cha.
Jiao cha.
The very
You don't leave home
jiao
without
cha.
it. So we are now waiting for the jiao cha. Alright, this is what gives it an enhanced
Additional
flavor. Beautiful.
Okay. Here we are, the pork noodle.
Alright. You want to take one picture together with your pot noodle? Is it too hot to hold? Just very quickly.
Yeah.
Make it closer to your. Closer to wait Sorry. Wait
Pork noodle 米粉麵。You can have it with kway teow or 滷水飯 or 伊麵, up to you.
Alright, so the chef
ingredients
is going to make a pan min right now. He actually started using a different stock.
Yes.
So what's the difference between this stock and the
Actually, it's just
Jiao fan?
This is the pork stock also.
Or it's also pork based, yeah?
Pork base.
Okay.
The big bone
Okay.
and soya bean and sengguang.
Okay.
Right?
Right. Okay.
So the ingredients will be mushroom, pork ball, and minced meat.
Okay. Put it in. Put it in the boil. Bring it to boil.
Bring it to boil. And a bit of pepper. Then you do the pan mi.
Oh, the pan min is ready made, is it? You already pre-made.
Yeah, we pre-make.
What if they want to order the meat one? Can
Meat
or not?
one also we have.
Okay.
Okay. Then normally I will soak it
Blanch
to
it.
wash away the flour that's
flour.
sticking on it.
Yep.
See, the whole water also change white.
Yes.
Alright. Then the secret about our pan min is that I will boil it until it's real soft. Because many a times I don't like the hard part of the pan min.
Make sure everything is fully cooked.
Yeah, well boiled. See, you can smell the aroma of the mushroom coming up.
Yep. Shiitake mushroom is very important for Asian cuisine.
Yeah. And then, very importantly, is this daun manis.
My apology for some of the construction voice behind. Construction sound.
Again,
Sorry.
we always dip them to make sure it's clean and put in more. And now you will get the aroma of both the daun manis and the mushroom.
Yeah.
Give you the additional.
Not many people are using the money choy nowadays.
Yeah.
So the most authentic pan mi is always money choy. Yeah? The money veggie.
Yes, very important.
It's like the soul of pan min. I think it's almost done already.
Yeah.
Very fast.
Here we go. Is it like I don't like the pan min when it's all grouped together. I will ensure it's all separated so that you don't get one crumple of it whenever you eat. Oh, I can smell the aroma of the mushroom, so thick.
Alright.
And very importantly is the minced meat.
This is
The
the
yolk
secret.
soy, then you put on top. And again, the jiao zha.
Jiao is everywhere
Yeah.
in Chinese cuisine. Alright, and some ikan bilis, right?
Yeah, ikan bilis. Oh, sorry. Pepper. Ikan bilis.
It's okay, we will put the ikan bilis shortly. But look how beautiful it is. I just tasted it. I tasted the pan mi, definitely one of my favorites.
Is
So the owner now is going to make Ipoh Lo Xu Fan for us. It is also one of their best sellers. And again, I have also tasted just now. Really good. I'm very impressed. Especially with the minced pork, and also later there's one secret ingredient which he's going to add towards the end, you are going to see.
sauce. Then let it. Here you notice I put in the jiao already, so they get it more crunchy. And the lo sui fan. Again, we also
Blanch it.
blanch it.
Okay, the boss is blanching the lo shui fan now.
And we put inside.
Oh, I like the sound of sizzling.
I'll add in a little bit more, a little too little. There we go. Buat lo sui fan ini. Okay. Then you start
Stirring them up.
stirring them up. Again, we add in a little bit of soup so that it won't stick to the side.
So do you use stock?
Yeah.
So this is a pork stock you
Pork
saw
stock.
just now,
The broth.
used for the pan min.
Yes. You always ensure that it's not sticking to the side of the clay pot. Then if you don't like, if the color is a bit soft, I just add in additional
Yeah, usually in KL we will like it a little bit darker.
darker. Here we go.
Actually, this dish is also very fast, right?
Yeah.
I think it's almost done.
Yes.
Because don't forget the minced pork later is already pre-cooked.
I like to put in more soup while cooking is to soften the lo sui fan. Okay, once you see it's almost dry, then you have to off it because it will be still cooking.
It will continue cook because the clay pot will actually has got this thing called heat retention.
You notice it's still like
So
boiling.
it is still sizzling even though you have off the heat. It is still sizzling. And now the boss is putting in the minced pork, which is his secret success recipe.
And here we do a very special ingredient. That is the seal yolk.
This is the one I'm talking about, and I just tried. The skin is super crispy. I think this is probably my first time seeing Claypot lo shui fan with roast pork. So any more to add? Green onion maybe?
Yeah, green onion. Chong.
Okay, this one I won't ask the boss to hold. It's going to be very hot.
Very hot. And of course, last but not least, pepper. Done.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right.
So basically these three are their best sellers. And I've tested them all really good. Initially I'm actually thinking whether you all want to see my face eating the food or not. Then I think I don't want to spoil your appetite. But I can tell you, I can vouch for it, this is good food. And they are also available on
Every day.
Food Panda, on delivery, right? Is it only on Food Panda or also other things?
Panda, Grab, Eat Local,
Oh, okay.
Hungry delivery.
Oh, so they are available on a lot of delivery services. Okay, so thank you so much for getting Appa to come, and I'm very impressed. I must say, Appa is very impressed for his passion. He's actually the Choy Kor.
Yes.
Okay, he's the Choy Kor. This is the. Let me show you the signboard. You can come into this place and look for Choy Kor on your right hand corner. and I'm very impressed with his passion of food. He still keeps on improving his recipes, and just now we talk a lot on food as well. Alright, I hope you all like my video. Thank you very much.
Thank you.